Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Kawasaki Vulcan 1600 Classic. This full-size cruiser has a little under 3,500 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Got a couple of nice highlights on it, and I found a rock chip and a couple of scuffs on it. So let's take our walk around it and then we'll fire it up. Excuse me. This full-size cruiser overall has been very well taken care of. So you can see it there, the one rock chip in the fender. And then we've got a couple of scuffs here on this side. That's really all I found on this bike. So somebody wasn't watching where they were going. So it comes with aftermarket grips, a tank bib, footboards for the driver, a solo seat. The tires are in excellent condition. They got a lot of miles left on them still. Did notice just a little bit of lifting here underneath the paint. Very possible something got spilt. Gas, brake fluid, hard to say. Doesn't look like it's peeling, just looks like it's lifting a little bit. $34.76 is what's on it. This Vulcan 1600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.